You asked, we answered. Introducing the capability for coaches and mentors to edit their groups in KickUp. Needing to adjust a group you created? You can now edit your groups without having to rely on support from a client success team member. First, navigate to the relevant coaching or mentoring instance the group you want to edit is participating in. Then, click on Groups. Once on the Groups page, click on the Actions menu located to the right of the Log Activity button. If you are viewing a coaching instance, you now will see the ability to click on Edit Coaching Group. Mentoring instances will be given the option to click on Edit Mentorship Group. From this window, you will be able to revise the name of your coaching or mentoring group, as well as remove or add members accordingly. It's important to note that while the names of coaching and mentoring groups can always be changed, group members cannot be edited while a cycle is in progress. If you still would like to edit your group, click on Close Current Cycle. A new modal will then appear asking you to confirm your selection. This modal will include an overview of the progress achieved during the cycle so far, the ability for you to view more details about the cycle via the cycle page, and the ability to cancel or move forward with your decision to close the cycle. Before officially closing the cycle, KickUp will ask you to confirm your selection one final time. Once the cycle is closed, you will gain the ability to remove or add members to your group accordingly. We hope you love these changes, and if you have any other questions or need help, please use the in-app support chat to connect with a member of our team.